Hello everyone, it's Julie from Community Crafts Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with an unboxing. It's an unboxing from a company called Craspire, and they do the wax seals and the stamps and lots of other goodies on their website. So let's open this lot up and have a look. I will put all the details in my description. There'll be links for all these products. I won't be telling you the prices as I go along because they may not still be relevant, and yeah, I can't remember what they are. And there were no invoicing telling me what they were. So yeah, I'm snipping open the bubble wrap. It comes extremely well wrapped. They are a sister company to BB Craft, so yeah. Oh, look at that. That's the first one. I'm going to put that to one side and look at these one at a time. So I do have a very small amount of wax. What I did is my girls got me one wax stamp for Christmas and some beads, but because I didn't know much about this wax sealing stuff, I didn't get a little furnace, and yeah, I only had one spoon. It was just not. Oh, look at this. So this is not my furnace. So do you know what? I'm going to put those to one side and I'm going to delve into this package and I'm going to get out what I know I bought, which is the little furnace that helps you heat up your wax. And here it is. Ta-da! So yeah, wow. There's a lot more here than what I thought there would be. There's $40 value here, roughly, including the postage. So let's open. This is what I didn't have, which is what really put the scuppers on me doing any of this. And this is the little furnace. Wowzer. I can't wait to get doing these. I think I'll be filming my first wax seal video straight after unboxing this. It's killed me not looking in this package because I wanted to do it on video. So this is the furnace. Oh, I love it. It comes with the little spoon. That's pretty well made. I'm quite impressed with this. Ooh, so your little spoon goes on there, like so. Sorry if there's any glare. It's a bit of a dull day and I've had to put a bit of light on again. Yeah, it's proper British weather here today. Dull and grey. So, oh, with the furnace we also get one candle. So what you would do is you'd light your little candle, pop your little furnace over, pop your wax beads in there, and they would melt, ready for you doing your wax seal. So let's pop that there. I'll move some of these plastic bags out of the way and I'll bring back the first item that I opened. I thought maybe that was the furnace, but that is my two wax seal stamps. So this came as a kit with the two stamps, a bag of mixed coloured wax beads. Again, I cannot remember how many's in there. I'm sure it was about, it's hundreds, yeah. So it's hundreds. Let's leave it at that. We'll get another spoon, so that's good. I've got more than one spoon now. Let's see how that one balances on the furnace. Yeah, so even the longer handle spoon balances lovely. Well impressed. And we've got two colouring pens. There's a silver and a gold, so you can use these on the wax seals that you make. Oh, there's some gorgeous colours in here. I'm going to have to open them up. Yeah, we also got another. Oh, there's 3 more candles in there. I've obviously not done this, so I don't know how long a candle will last. But it's something I've been dying to have a go at this. Been a bit of a craze on it lately, hasn't there? So yeah, we've got 3. They're not the thickest of metal. Got a little bit bent in the package, but as long as they do the job. So that's those. Pens. Oh, I like these. Oh, they're metallic. Pretty solid little pens. Let's tip some of these out. Oh, look at the colours. Yeah, I tend to go towards antique vintage style things, so I'm loving these golds. Oh, this burgundy red. There's like bright red and burgundy red. We've got black, we've got purple. There's so many colours. White, yellow. Oh, it's a lovely beeswax type yellow, that as well. I see some bee wax seals coming in my future. Pink. Oh, wowza. A couple of different golds. Have I even got them all yet? Is that all the colours? Oh, we've got this lovely metallic pearlescent, is it? Peachy colour. Oh, and there's a nice green. So there are a lot of colours to choose from there, aren't there? I'm not even sure if I've got every colour out. There looks to be another one in here. Is that? Yeah, that's slightly more. We've got one that looks quite. We've got a deep bronze, copper, and a gold there. Wow. Very impressed with those. Now for the wax stamps themselves. Oh, we've got cellophane on these. I'm going to need my scissors. Yeah. I'll show you the Craspire website when I've done this unboxing. I'm like a kid in a sweet shop on there. There's so many goodies. They don't do just wax seals either. They do quite a few stationery items for those of us who like our planners, and I do like planning. I'm more of a planner than a journaler, which is very strange considering I make junk journals, isn't it? I'm a list maker. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. I don't know if you can see what it is. Let me tilt it. Yeah, that's a lovely butterfly. Gorgeous. You've known me, I put butterflies on everything. Everything has to have a butterfly on it. This one doesn't have plastic on, so I can get straight into this box. And this one is, ooh, can we see? It's a dragonfly. So this was the butterfly and dragonfly kit. And I'm well impressed with the quality. Do these heads? Yes, they do. I wasn't sure if the heads were going to come off. So I can, now I've got these two stamps and these handles, next time I can just buy the brass heads if I want, yeah, a little bit of variety. Because there are other wax seal stamps that I would like. I'd like a bee one now. Having seen these and this, yeah, honey coloured, as I'm going to call it, wax bead, I want a bee stamp. See, this is me all over. I've just got these brand new goodies and I already want something else. Yeah. So, that's those. And one other thing I did order, and I ordered this because I'd seen another lovely lady called Tracy Susan, who is also here on YouTube, do a fabulous project making some fridge magnets. And she used some washi tape that she'd got from Craspire and the wax that she'd also got. She'd picked a different style of washi tape. I'll take these out and show them you separately, but you know I love my washi tape. And this one, it's vintage, a vintage travel set, and there's quite a bit on each roll actually. I'm quite happy with that. Ooh, I thought that was one roll, it's two. I don't know what that says because I've not been to opticians in a year and I'm well ready to go again. I just can't read it. It's not the tape, it's me, it's my eyes. I'll need my magnifying glass out for that one. It might just be random script, that's probably why I can't read it. Oh, we've got this lovely antique vintage brown with checks on. I love my checked ones. What else have we got? Let's take them all out. Take them all out. Oh, that one is just definite random text. So that's a lovely cream tape with brown text. More tickets. You know I love my tickets, and these are different to the tickets I already have. So that's nice. What do we have here? These look like vintage adverts. Yes. Very nice. we've got this one, which is, I think this is my favourite. There's the UK, that's where I am. And they've come all the way over from USA. Yeah, that's the world map. I don't know why we've got a man stood on Australia. Oh, hey ho. And the last one, ooh, vintage ladies. Oh yeah, oh, again, these look like adverts for haberdashery, corsetry. There's a word for hats, can't think of that one. Haberdashery, corsetry and hats. Yeah. And yeah, love that. So I'm going to make some yummy projects with that. So that is that with my goods. I'll just give you a quick nosy at Craspire's website. I'm hoping I can angle my tablet. Yes. So that you can see. Yeah, I've done it. There's not too much glare. I'm just going to pause while I zoom in. And I'm back. Just a few technical adjustments to make there. Yeah, it was a little bit bright when I zoomed in on my screen. So I'm here with the Craspire website. This is their homepage. As you can see at the moment, they're doing 10% off on orders over $60 until the 15th of March. Ooh, look at the goodies. Yeah, I'm just going to let this scroll through and let you have a look. Ooh. Yeah, I nearly got that furnace, but I decided I wanted the chunky one. They do have an affiliate program, yeah, which is what I am making this video as part of today. I didn't actually have to purchase these items. Craspire have sent them to me on the proviso that I do an unboxing and make a couple of videos, and I think that's absolutely fabulous. Like I said, they are a sister company to BB Craft, but they have so much more. It's geared towards wax seals and stamps mainly. So let's have a quick squint at the website. You will notice when you go to it, the default currency is dollars. So what you need to do there, if you're in the UK, you American ladies won't have a problem with this. Go over to the menu at the side, scroll right down to the bottom, and you can change your currency. We've got dollars, pounds, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, don't know what it is in Japan, and we've got euros. So wherever you are, you can view it in your currency. So I've now set that to pounds. Yeah, can we go, please get rid of the menu now? That's it, I need to click on there. I'm a bit, oh. So yeah, as you can see now, it's showing you what everything is in British pounds, which is easy. But if you are filling your basket to get a discount, you might be easier doing that part in dollars, because like I've got a code for $5 off when you spend 40. Yeah, it's not quite £5 off, and the order value is not quite 40. If you're one of these super whizzy maths people who can convert from dollars to pounds in your head, not a problem. I'm not one of those. I'm not super whizzy at all. I did try to film this section on my computer, but it was a little bit beyond me. I think I need a bit more practice. So we've zoomed in on the tablet. So yeah, you'll need to open an account, which is quite simple and straightforward. I've gone ahead and put one thing in my basket just to show you what it then looks like. Yeah, you need to spend $40 to use my discount code and $60 to use the current Valentine's code. Shipping is free on anything over $50. I know that's a lot to remember, so that will all be in my description. But yeah, they've got some goodies. I already know I want that, that and that. I want that and that. No, I don't need another furnace. And I'm loving all these fancy handles. Yeah, they have lots. Look at all these gorgeous washi tapes. It's geared towards people who happy mail and snail mail people, I would say. Yeah, there's a lot of planning accessories, and yeah, if you're going to put the wax seals on your snail mail and happy nail, you're spoilt for choice. So I think that's all you need to see about the website. I don't need to teach my grandma to suck eggs, do I? Yeah, and I just know that I struggled to find out where to change it to pounds. I did find it eventually, so I thought I'd let you know. So I'm going to leave it there for today. Remember, all details are in the description. The details of the discount will be in the description too. And I will see you in my next video. I can't wait to get using these. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.